All right. Ooh, look at that mess. Look at this car. All right, so today gonna be working on the Miata again. All right, guys, so the day has finally come. I just finished doing a final sand on the hood. I just put on some acetone, cleaned it up, and now it's ready for primer. So I'm gonna spray down a coat of primer, make sure, see where everything is, see if there's any bumps or imperfections, and I can sand it down and then lay on some more stuff if I need to. But to me, it feels really good. It feels pretty smooth. There are spots where it does dip a little bit, but it's not like very noticeable. Like looking at it, you wouldn't be able to tell. You just feel it. So I want to spray on a coat, see how it looks, and if it looks good enough, we'll just send it how it is and then get it ready for plasti dip. So let's get to it. All right, so as you can tell, all I did was mask here and then the little windshield wiper thingies. And yeah, so I'm about to get spraying.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
All right, guys, how's it going again? As you can tell, I got the hood on. I got this fender on. It needs a little bit more adjustment. As you can see, this needs to come up here. And then the hood is lining up. Got this fender on because this one I rolled in properly, as you saw in that video of me getting very aggravated. Now, this one came off the same car as the other fender, so I got my whole front end again. Now I need to get some holes for my hood pins. That way the hood actually shuts. Alright guys, so my plan for today is to do just a couple things. I want to get my wideband O2 into the exhaust, finish bolting up my exhaust, and then probably going to do the quick releases for my front bumper. We got a drift event coming up here on Sunday, which is in like, what is it today, Thursday? Oh wow, we only got 3 days. So yeah, let's get started. So here's my wideband O2, and as you can tell, the threads are extremely screwed up. I got like 2 good threads right here. So I'm going to grind down back these like really cross-threaded ones, grind them down, and hopefully just hold on with these 2 threads and it will stay on the pipe and work fine. Eventually I'll just get another wideband when I have more money, but it's just not possible right now. Here we go. Alright, well, we ground down some of the threads. We're going to see how well this works. Alright guys, so I wasn't able to get the O2 sensor to work. I grinded it down as much as I could to the point that there was only like a single thread left and it still wouldn't go in. So what I did is I went on Amazon, I found a replacement for it. It was like 50 bucks. It's the exact same O2 sensor, wideband, everything ready to go. It will plug right into my gauge. So I ordered it. It will be here the day before the drift event. So either I get that on the car, or if it doesn't show up, I'm just running without an O2, the wideband O2. I still have the stock O2 on here to regulate. I really like having the wideband though to know if my car is leaning out or running rich. That way that I can not blow it up. But you know, the piston rings are already pretty much shot on this car, so I think we're just gonna go for it. But I did get a couple of other things done. I did manage to get my exhaust on. So my exhaust is just gonna dump out like halfway through the car, and we're just gonna say fuck it. But it goes right up there and into the turbo. So now I got exhaust. Now it's time to drill some holes in the hood. Alright guys, so the time has come. It's time for me to cut the holes in my hood for my hood pins. I'm worried about this because last time I screwed it up. Hopefully this time I don't, because I'm going to use a method I found from some of my favorite YouTubers, More Skids. And what they do is they use peanut butter. You put peanut butter on the tip of the hood pins, Then you just gently set the hood down, lift the hood up, and then up here, you'll know exactly where to drill. And then, got myself my drill with the hole saw. That way that this will pull right into the hood and then make a perfect hole. Last time I didn't do that. Last time I didn't measure well either. So, let's do it right this time, and let's see how this goes. So this is what you want it to look like. Get that little bit of peanut butter up there on both of them. Now it's time to shut the hood and see where it goes.
My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere.
And now we know exactly where to drill. Boom.
In hopes you chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so.
Alright, so this is what we got. This is where it's at. As you can tell, the holes are fine. Pretty good. Alright, got some room for movement, which is what I wanted. But look at this side, right here. This is over here. So I need to figure out, I think I need to tighten this side of the hood more and pull it forward and push it back. So, we'll see. Well, so far this is what we got. Let's see. Got these all lined up. Got these in. Holds the hood in good. No problems. And yeah. So I think what I'm gonna do now is take a break. I gotta go meet my dad, and then I might be able to get to the alignment when I get back home. But we'll see. Alright guys, so I just got back from my meeting and I got straight into work. I didn't record this side, but I'm gonna record the next side. This is what I got. So I started installing my quick releases for my front bumper, and it was actually pretty simple. So all you gotta do is drill a hole, put this in, then end up spacing this one out from it to hold tension, and then you're good. So I mean, I'm gonna film the other side so you guys can see how to do it, but this is what the end result should look like. Alright, so I already know where I drilled on the other side, which is in here by about that second washer, about an inch down, so right about here. Real simple because it's plastic. So you take this, put it through there, take your washer, put that on there, take your little nut, thread it on, tighten that down good. There you go. Now we just gotta measure from the other side, see where the second one will go, and enough distance that it will hold tension onto your little band here. So let's check that out and then get to drilling. There we go. So guys, the time has come. I'm about to take this little baby off of Jax and take her out for a spin. Woo! Alright guys, well I'm super excited. I got like everything done on the car I wanted to get done, except for I haven't painted it yet, or plasti dip, and do this theme that I got going with it. But I'm actually about to head to the gym and I'm going to take her out for a spin and see how she does. Hopefully she runs good and she's ready for this event on Sunday. That way I can help Kyle get the RX-7 or the BMW ready to go. But until then, please like, comment, or subscribe, and always remember to keep drifting fun.
I give you everything. he sees. Oh, you meant the world to me.